In the past few years, cleaning services have really taken off, both for homes and businesses. But when demand goes up, managing the business gets a whole lot harder. You're suddenly trying to keep track of schedules, employees, customer messages, and payments all at once. Without a system in place, it can turn into chaos pretty quickly. That's why having the right software matters. The cleaning software was designed for this exact situation. It's a CRM built specifically for cleaning companies, and it brings all those moving parts under one roof. In today's video, we're going to see how it works and why it can make a huge difference in your day-to-day operations. First, let's talk about the backbone of any cleaning business: getting the jobs done efficiently. The cleaning software excels here with its powerful scheduling and route management tools. No more shuffling through paper calendars or messy spreadsheets. When you create jobs, the system allows you to log all the crucial details from the start: client information, service type like deep clean, recurring, or commercial, estimated time, and any specific notes for the crew. This immediately centralizes job knowledge. Once a job is created, the system really shines with route management. This is where you save significant time and fuel costs. The software uses location data to intelligently optimize routes for your crews. Instead of simply sending them to jobs in the order they were booked, it maps out the most fuel and time-efficient path, which ensures your team spend less time driving and more time cleaning. This not only boosts productivity but also makes your staff happier by reducing commute time. The Schedule Jobs feature is incredibly user-friendly. It's a drag-and-drop calendar interface that gives you a complete, visual overview of your entire week or month. You can quickly see who is working where, and if a last-minute cancellation or emergency clean pops up, you can instantly see available slots and assign the closest, most suitable crew member. This real-time visibility prevents overbooking and ensures smooth operation. And then comes the timeline view. This allows you to track the progress of every job throughout the day. This timeline gives managers a clear record of when the job started, how long it took, and when it was completed, which is absolutely vital for accurate billing and performance evaluation. Moving on from scheduling, let's look at how the cleaning software transforms your client relationships, which, as we know, is the key to business growth. This platform acts as a comprehensive CRM system. Everything you need to know about a client is contained in one central profile under Customers. Beyond basic contact information, you see their full service history, any specific cleaning preferences, property access notes, and the payment methods they prefer. This level of detail ensures your service is always personalized, which leads to higher customer satisfaction and better retention. The Job section, tied to the customer profile, gives you a historical log of all work performed for that specific client, making it easy to reference past invoices or service details. For your recurring clients, the subscriptions feature automatically manages their routine cleanings. You set the frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and the system schedules it, simplifying your predictable revenue streams. Handling the finances is also streamlined. The Payments feature integrates directly with your invoicing, allowing you to track payment statuses, accept various payment types securely, and send automated payment reminders. This reduces the time you spend chasing outstanding invoices and improves your cash flow. Furthermore, the system helps you grow your client base with a dedicated leads management tool. You can track potential clients from initial inquiry to booked job. Every email, phone call, or text message related to a customer is automatically logged. This means any team member can pick up where the last left off, which ensures consistent, professional communication and makes sure no client detail ever falls through the cracks. Next up, let's look at arguably the most complex part of a service business: managing your people. The cleaning software simplifies staff management to ensure your team is well managed, paid accurately, and happy. A critical feature here is payroll adjustments. Since the software is already tracking your crew's clock-in and clock-out times using the mobile app's time clock, it provides accurate timesheets. This feature allows managers to quickly review and approve time logs, add bonuses, deduct for unapproved breaks, or factor in overtime before syncing directly with popular payroll software. The Time Off Events module makes managing employee leave straightforward. Staff can request time off directly through the mobile app, and managers can approve or deny it with a click, all while viewing how it impacts the day's schedule. This avoids scheduling conflicts and ensures you always have adequate staffing for booked jobs. Finally, the Users section manages all your team member accounts, defining their roles and permissions. You can control exactly what each employee, from cleaning technician to field supervisor to administrator, can see and do within the software. This maintains security and ensures everyone only has access to the information they need to perform their duties effectively. Now, let's cover the high-level view, the administration side of the business. This is where the cleaning software provides the intelligence you need to make smart, data-driven decisions that drive growth. The KPI overview is essentially your business's health dashboard. It shows you the most important metrics at a glance. For larger or multi-location businesses, the branches feature allows you to manage different service areas, cities, or even types of service, residential versus commercial, as separate entities within the same system. Each branch can have its own branch settings, letting you tailor tax rates, specific services offered, and pricing structures based on the local market. The company settings area is where you customize the entire platform to fit your brand. You set up your logo, define your service menu, configure default pricing, and set up integrations with your accounting or marketing tools. Most importantly, the Reports feature is a powerhouse for business analysis. You can generate detailed reports on almost anything: financial summaries, employee performance, profit and loss per job type, and even customer acquisition costs. These authentic, real-time reports move you away from guessing and toward operating with complete confidence. So, is the cleaning software worth it for the cleaning industry? Absolutely. It's more than just an organizational tool. It's an all-in-one system that streamlines every operational pillar, saving you massive amounts of time, reducing errors, and putting you on the path to significant, sustainable growth. If you're serious about moving beyond being just a cleaning business owner to becoming a professional service executive, you need this platform. Check out the links right below this video to sign up for a free trial. All the details you need are in the description. Don't wait. Start working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.